If I talk about the reasons that we get called in Ventrolla as a company over a vast number of years now, I would say that the main reasons are you get the drafty, rattly windows. People moving into new properties, especially if they've been in a modern property going to a listed building or an elderly property, they'll find that, oh, it's not as comfortable, it's very drafty, rattly, and how can we stop that? The next reason we get called in is because those drafts and rattles, or the gaps, you find that painters over the years have painted them shut, which in some cases stops the drafts because you haven't got the gap because it's full of paint. But what it does do, it leaves the window inoperable. So then that's a downward spiral in a lot of cases, because where the sashes should be opened, and then the sashes are aired because you've got that airflow, you don't get as much rot. However, if a sash is sealed shut, then if your seal starts going rotten, you find that the water then the water starts going up the sash and rots the sash in situ. So it's a downward spiral for the window. The third reason we sometimes get called in is that people just want to replace their windows and adhere to the latest building regs to make sure they're warmer. The problem with this is, and this is where Ventrolla's expertise comes into place, is that we have to talk about, is your building listed? Is it in a conservation area? Has it got an Article 4 direction on it? So all these things go into a mix that help us advise people what they can and can't do with windows.